Those girls who are still in school, college, or university should not think that their only objective is to gain an education. Of course, gaining an education is vitally important. It is a means of your personal progress and development. It should also empower you to serve the Jamaat proficiently and give you the confidence and ability to defend all propagate Islam with logic and reason. Furthermore, your pursuit of knowledge shall serve as a resounding answer to those who falsely claim that Islam does not value the education or empowerment of women and girls. Thus, as you progress through school, college, or university, do not have the mindset that your education is merely a means of getting a job or earning money. Rather, Ahmadi students should consider their education as an opportunity and platform to spread the beautiful teachings of Islam through the excellence of their character and the strength of their moral values. The way to preach your friends, teachers, or those within your orbit is not through force or harsh words. Rather, it is through love, compassion, and by exemplifying the Islamic values of truth, integrity, kindness, and piety at every moment of your life. If and when you reach this high standard, you will fulfill the true spirit of your waqf. In this regard, the Prophet Muhammad has given us many instructions. For example, he said that a person who devotes their life to their faith should never fall prey to laziness or negligence. Rather, they should be energetic, proficient, and ever ready to work. Therefore, as Waqfat know, pray that Allah saves you from laziness and enables you to serve your religion with distinction, dedication, and proficiency. Moreover, the Prophet Muhammad stated that it is the obligation of those who have accepted him to ensure that the divine signs of Allah never fade into obscurity or become lost in the passage of time. So ask yourselves, how you can stop the signs of Allah becoming lost or forgotten? How can you prove that Allah is a living God? Quite simply, it is by establishing a connection with Him. It is by ensuring you observe the 5 daily prayers on time and with immense humility and devotion. It should not be that you offer namaz very quickly as a token gesture or to satisfy your elders. Salat becomes mandatory at the age of 10, and most of you have reached that age. Consequently, you must prioritize the 5 daily prayers above all personal tasks and activities. Doing so will never lead to any harm or disadvantage you in any way. Instead, your prayers will serve as a means of your success and continued prosperity.